You have an ecosystem by Epson, the ET2750. This is sublimation ink for the printer. It has black and color. You could print out thousands of pages, and you need to refill the ink. It's very simple to do. And what you get inside the box is nicely packaged your ink and well protected in plastic covers. You simply open up your cover and add in your BK ink for black, C for cyan, you have M and Y, a small pamphlet, and a couple of plastic. Our ink window, we're simply going to open up our cover in full and lift the front cover up, and we have an area of interest to add in our ink. We're going to do black as we are empty and we need to have ink. We take a cutter and open up. We open the cap and we simply take the ink, match hole for hole, as the ink will not come out, and simply rest over the top by snapping in and allowing the ink to fill up. When ink has reached its designated level, simply pull the cap out, lift up, place the cap back on, close the cover, and start to fill the next 3 levels. We're going to open up the bags that are given. They're actually gloves so you can wear. They slip onto your hands so you don't get your hands dirty when you want to add your ink. So what we're going to do is do the yellow and add in our yellow. And simply place in on top as it doesn't drip out until it goes in and snaps in and fills. And repeat the same for the M. We're printing a page out after the refill, and here we have our ink all set, ready to go. I hope you enjoy your Welacer Sublimation Premium Ink Kit for your Epson series printers. Everything you need for your printing needs.